Good morning, children. Are you all ready for today's maths class? Yes, in our today's maths class, we are going to continue with our chapter number 12. So, in last class, I gave you few homeworks. Did you all do it, children? Yes, I told you to fill in the blanks all these, right? Did you do it? Yes. So, in last class, we learned what is long, what is short, and then so today we are going to learn two more things. What is that? Foot span and pace. Okay. So for calculating, for measuring a place, okay, if you are living in a room, okay, so to measure that room, what we will do, we will keep our leg and we will count like this, right? On the tip of your the longest toe, what we will do, we will keep the bottom of the next toe and we measure like this. What do we say this one as? Foot span. What is it? Foot span. Okay, children. And next one is pace. Pace is something that we keep a little distance from the two foot and measure the room. Okay, we say that as pace. What is that? Pace. So today we have learned foot span and pace. Okay, children. So we learned these examples in the last class, right? Yes. So you finished this one. Did you all do it? Very good. In the today's class, we are going to know what is weight. Okay. So what is weight? For example, this kerchief is very lightweight, correct? This is lightweight, whereas this book is heavy. This is very heavy. Compared to my kerchief, this is very heavy. So my kerchief is light and my book is very heavy. Okay. Sometimes look at the picture, see children. An elephant is heavy, a rabbit is light. Okay, and here both have same weight. Okay, so we can write it as a sentence. How can we write it? See, an elephant is heavier than a rabbit. You are comparing an elephant and the rabbit. So which is heavier? Elephant is heavier. So an elephant is heavier than a rabbit. Whereas a rabbit is lighter than an elephant. A rabbit is lighter than an elephant. The rabbit and the monkey weigh the same. So they are in same weight. Rabbit and monkey are in the same weight. Okay. So we have one more example. a bird and a feather. A bird is heavy, a feather is light. So how can we write? A bird is heavier than a feather. A feather is light than a bird. Okay. Here both have the same weight. Both birds weigh the same. Okay. So when it is very heavy, we are unable to lift, we say that as heavy. When it is very light, we will say it as light. Okay. One more example. A pumpkin is heavy, a tomato is light. Both have the same weight. Okay. So what is that? A pumpkin is heavy than a tomato. A tomato is light than a pumpkin. Lighter than a pumpkin. When you compare a pumpkin and tomato, pumpkin is big and it is heavy. Lighter. When you compare an apple and an orange, both are same weight. Okay? Yes. We are going to tick which is the heavier one. Okay? Take out your pencil. Which is heavier? Telephone or your clip? Telephone is heavier. So tick. Which is heavier here? Pencil or a book? Book is heavier. Very good. Next. Which is heavier? A small piece of cake or a full cake? Which is heavier? A full cake is heavier. Okay. Last one. Which is heavier? A crab or an octopus? Which is heavier? Octopus. Very good. So did you all tick? Yes. Next one. Write heavy or light. Okay, we are going to write whether it is heavy or light. Okay, take out your pencil. So here what is it? Here is an rhinoceros and here is a small cub. Which is heavy here? Rhinoceros is heavy. So write heavy. 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 Light. Light. Heavy, light. Heavy, light. Next one. Here is a peacock and here is a bird. Which is heavy compared to these two? Peacock is heavy and a bird is light. So write heavy. 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 Bird is light. 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 Yes. Did you write it, children? Okay. Yes. Next one. See. A bat and a ball. Okay. Which is heavy here? A bat is heavy or a ball is heavy? Bat is heavy. So write heavy. Ball is light. Right within the box. Okay, I don't have proper space. So I am writing it out. Next, a plate full of apple and only 4 apples. Which will be heavy? A plate full of apples. So write heavy. Light. Yes, this is easy, no? Yes. Next one, what we are going to see is capacity. What is it? Capacity. That can hold. Okay. So, for example, you take this bottle, water bottle. Okay. I have full of water inside this, correct? Okay. So, how much will the bottle can hold? How much the bottle will hold? So, that is called as capacity. This bottle can hold around 1 liter of water. So, the capacity of this bottle is 1 liter. Okay, so if you take a box, okay, for example, okay, if you take an handbag, so how much an handbag can hold? So that is the capacity. Okay, what is the ability of a thing to carry? Okay, that we called it as capacity. Okay. So here they have given a jug. So a jug can hold 10 glasses of water. So we can write it also as a jug holds more water than a glass. Okay. So a glass is only this much and a jug is this much. So the glass holds less amount and the jug holds more. Okay, whereas a glass holds less water than a jug. Both are same. Okay. Yes, another example. A kitten can hold up to 5 cups of milk. So, here cup is small, kitten is big. So, kitten can hold more, cup can hold less. Okay, children? Yes. In each set, tick which can hold more bucket, thick bucket. Next, a big bowl and a small plate. Which can hold more? A bowl can hold more. Okay. A big spoon and a small spoon. Which can hold more? A big spoon can hold more. Whereas a small spoon cannot hold. Okay. Will comparatively hold less. Okay. A big glass or a small glass. Big glass will hold more. Okay. Yes. So with this we are completing the lesson number 12. So what is the lesson number 12? It is measurement. So in this lesson we have learned length and then how to measure using your parts of your body, and then we learn the weight, and then we learn capacity. So these 5 topics we have learned in this lesson, correct? Okay, so practice all this, okay children? Yes, I will meet you in the next class. Thank you, Sai Ram.